awesome. Okay, who's excited?
All right, guys, quick radio check. Everyone all strapped in?
Yes, sir.
There's some air vents above you if you need some air.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Once again, I'll check back with you shortly, all right?
All right,
Yes,
10-4.
Excited? Oh.
What, babe?
Put your mic a little
Put
closer. Yes. Is it?
Pass my phone. Oh.
Where's it?
My purse.
Is it in the little bag? Do you have your phone?
No, it's in my jacket.
Where's your purse?
Where's your jacket?
In the back. My phone doesn't.
Oh, okay. Well, I got it.
Yeah,
I'll take it.
you're going to have to.
I know. Okay. I just.
Or give it to me and I will be photo.
Babe, you want to just use my
I want
camera?
it because I got the window right here.
Cool.
And you can take one of the like
Oh,
the
you got it.
pilot.
Okay.
Good talk.
Oh,
Here we go.
this is so cool. Go. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is awesome.
Hi, baby.
I love this. Wow. You doing okay? Good. How are
Good
you?
job.
All right, guys, how's everyone doing?
Great.
Great.
All right, very nice. We have leveled off for now. We're at 7,300 feet. We're doing about 125 miles an hour over the ground.
Cool.
This puts us about 400 feet over the ground here. These ponderosa pines below us. Those are about 75 feet off the ground. Make it easier for me, I don't have autopilot in this helicopter, so I'm going to be pointing out some points of reference. This will be the 12 o'clock position. If anything in front of this pillar, off your right shoulder, will be 3 o'clock. Off your left shoulder will be the 9 o'clock position. Right now, off our 2 o'clock position, there's a mountain there. That is Mount Humphreys. Mount Humphreys is the highest mountain here, highest peak here in the state of Arizona. 14,600 feet there. It was once an active volcano. Last eruption back in 1066. Off our 9 o'clock position, there's that higher rim. That is the north rim of the Grand Canyon. That's where we're headed.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's beautiful.
They're about 2,000 feet higher than us.
Nina.
Yes. Here.
You see that number right there? That's the how high we are above the ground, AGL. 385 feet.
Oh, right here.
Oh, yeah.
This is over the water.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So when he said 7,300, that's because we're that far above sea level, but that's above the ground.
Okay. I did not know that.
What?
Now I do.
Wow, look how pretty it is.
Look how pretty it is.
Wow.
Right?
Yeah, look at it. You can already.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Camera.
Yeah, this is a 360 camera, interactive VR on YouTube.
You are?
Yeah,
Oh my goodness, that's so cool.
That's cool.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, chasing different adventures.
Oh my gosh, how awesome is that? Well, we're happy to be with you.
So we're going to be able to see it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, okay, that's
Very
awesome.
nice.
Oh my goodness.
On
We're going to be
YouTube.
on YouTube for
Well,
our
become a
helicopter.
movie star.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
yeah, it's
How neat. Look how beautiful it is
Oh,
though.
cool.
Oh my
Wow.
goodness.
you could be able to see yourself.
I've never seen anything like that ever.
That's incredible.
It is. Oh my goodness.
All right, guys, I'm just following the terrain right now. Right now, we're about 500 feet over the ground.
Okay.
In a few minutes, that 500 feet is going to turn into 5,000 feet over the Grand Canyon floor. So get that camera ready, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Awesome.
Ready, go.
Oh, you don't turn around. Oops.
So did he?
Cool. Oh, what?
That's really cool.
I know, isn't it? Like, how awesome.
This is amazing.
We had to pay a lot extra to have that guy come on the helicopter.
Little did you know. It's worth every penny. Oh my goodness. This is so awesome.
It is.
It's going to be wild when we go over the edge.
Ah.
All right, guys, in a few seconds, we're going to be crossing over Highway 64. It'll be going from left to right. off the right side, if you guys haven't already been there, Desert View Lookout might be a stop. You may want to stop it.
Oh.
Coming up about our 2 o'clock position, a watchtower will come into view.
Oh my
It's the
goodness.
70-foot watchtower. And it was duplicated after an old Anastasi watchtower. Should be coming into view shortly off
yeah.
our 2 o'clock.
You see it right on the
Oh
point
my-
out there?
Oh, I
Yeah.
do, yes.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Here, tell me you're taking a video of this.
Well, he's doing a YouTube video, so I'm taking pictures.
Oh,
wow.
my gosh. Oh.
There it is, the Grand
Yeah.
Canyon.
Ah.
It's 1,900 square miles of the Grand Canyon.
Oh.
We'll be covering about a fifth of that today on your air tour of the Grand Canyon. Up
Wow.
ahead,
Can you hold
off,
it?
You what?
off the left and right
How
side.
can I tell what it's looking at?
It's basically, don't worry about it, just hold it.
Okay.
It'll be recording
Okay.
all
Sounds-
around, non-stop.
Okay.
It'll record the ground as well.
Oh my gosh.
That's amazing.
That is so cool.
Everywhere you pan on your cell phone,
Wow.
you could scroll either with your fingers or turn around.
Okay.
That
And-
is crazy.
Oh my gosh.
You'll be able to interact and virtually view what you're.
So we're gonna have to get your name.
You-
for
I
the,
guess
Yeah.
so. Oh my gosh.
Look at the river.
All right, this will be the first time of many we'll be crossing the Colorado River.
Okay.
Off the right side, if you were to follow the river all the way upstream, it'll take you to the Rockies in the state of Colorado. It then flows through Utah. Here, the Grand Canyon. It'll go through Nevada for a little while, then into California, then it empties to the Gulf of California down in the Baja.
Wow.
It's flowing. It doesn't look like it's moving, but it's
Yeah.
moving about 4 to 8 miles an hour. It's anywhere from a few feet deep on up to about 40 feet deep.
Wow.
Might be able. Can you guys still view the watchtower? It should be off about our 5 o'clock
Yeah.
position.
Yep.
Oh yes, I
Yep.
can still see it.
All right. That's built alongside this view 12 o'clock sweeping around to our 4 o'clock. That's the Desert Palisades. That's the east
Oh.
side of the Grand Canyon. So we're on the very east side of it.
Wow.
That's 5,000 feet high from the rim down to the river. If you guys been to Vegas, that's about 5 stratospheres, towers stacked on top of each other.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
5,000 feet. Wow.
It's absolutely beautiful.
It's a pretty morning with all this snow and moisture we got.
Yeah.
It's really bringing out the colors.
Our guide on the way out here said that we came on the perfect day, and it does kind of feel like that.
Yeah, I had to drive through a blizzard 2 days ago
Yeah, well.
in a Mustang.
Oh no. That's not fun.
So what's our ground speed right now?
Right now, our ground speed is 113 knots.
Okay.
So that comes out to what, about 127 miles per hour.
Okay. 100 miles per hour. Doesn't feel like we're going that fast.
No, we're very high up. We're
Yeah.
what? It's not even showing up on our radar altimeter,
Oh my
but
gosh.
that's 5,000 feet. So we're about 6,500 feet over
Wow.
the base of Colorado River.
Yeah.
That's very
Isn't it though?
mile down.
Oh my goodness.
I wonder if we're going to go over that 14-foot drop.
Oh, where they do the rafts?
Yeah.
We will. That's coming up at about our 1 o'clock. We'll be turning eastbound right now. Let me
Okay.
make a quick radio call.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
I mean, you kind of get some perception of depth right here. Look down.
Yeah.
To the right.
Oh my gosh, yeah, you do.
Wow.
Ah.
It's so massive, it's hard to get a perspective on
It
how
is.
big it is. Yeah.
And,
All right,
It
we're
is.
eastbound now. We're going to be crossing over the desert palisades. Up ahead of us, that's all the painted desert. It continues eastbound, and it'll end up by the Petrified Forest National Park. This is also one of the largest Native American reservations. Navajo Indian Reservation. It goes all the way eastbound to New Mexico and off to our left, about our 10 o'clock, all the way into the state of Utah. This canyon that sweeps all the way from our left side to our right side to about our 2 o'clock position. This is the Little Colorado Canyon.
oh,
About 2 years back, this is the area where at about our, it's that canyon right there, the smaller one. At about our 2 o'clock, that's where Will Smith on his 50th birthday did his bungee jumping celebration out of a helicopter.
Oh, yikes.
I mean, it's just absolutely breathtaking.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Wow.
Barbara would really appreciate this.
Oh my goodness.
Right off at our 9 o'clock position, you'll get a good view. We've
Yeah.
got the Little Colorado joining the
Jacket.
Colorado River.
Oh,
This is the confluence area, and you'll notice a change of color. Because of all the heavy snowfall, Little Colorado is normally a bright turquoise color. It's that color from the minerals floating around in the water. But today it's kind of the traditional Colorado, the Red River color. We will be crossing the river once again.
are you getting cold?
A little bit.
Okay.
Cold.
I'll warm you up.
Get ready, you two.
Get ready, you two. Wait, did we get that? Did we get that on
No,
film?
stop it. Oh, it's so pretty.
All right, the 60-mile rapid should be directly underneath us off the right-hand side.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
The river continue.
Oh.
If you were to follow it upstream, it'll take you to Marble Canyon. That's one of the narrow sections of the Grand Canyon, and that's where a lot of the river rafting trips start off at. Upstream of that, it will be Glen Canyon Dam. And then on the other side of Glen Canyon Dam would be Lake Powell.
So cool with the snow over
It
there.
is, yeah. On the top. Oh, that's cool. You can see the blades in the picture too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, on alleys you can.
Tap on the screen.
Yes, this? Yeah, it's yours.
Okay. Hold on.
By all means. I have no idea what I'm doing. If I didn't ruin
were
your
doing
channel.
great.
Yeah, thank you.
Look at this off to the right.
Yeah.
Striations.
Incredible.
It really is. It's just gorgeous.
Gonna set it down on that little plateau over there?
Yeah.
They do have that available on our charters. That is Nanquit Mesa. This is all Nanquit Canyon. But alongside Nanquit Mesa, they found artifacts there dating back to about 900 years back. But there's some caves in there. There's artifacts, and they found food left over inside these caves alongside Nanquit Mesa.
Really? Wow.
Another feature is about 2 o'clock. That's Navajo Mountain. That's right alongside Lake
Oh,
Powell.
Yeah.
And right at the base of that, we wouldn't be able to see it.
That help a little bit? The air's like blowing right on you. Does that help a little bit?
I've got a jacket too if you want to put that.
Still cool? Comfortable?
Okay. No, all good, yeah.
All right.
How far away are we from where you do the hikes, either from the North Rim or the Grand Rim down to, or the South Rim down to Phantom?
Phantom Lodge, as soon as I clear up onto the North Rim, it'll be off our 9 o'clock position. I'll point that out
Okay.
when we get there. All this sweeping around from our 8 o'clock to our 1 o'clock, this is all the North Rim of the Grand Canyon.
Really pointy rock spire right there, see?
Uh-huh.
About 11.
That's Point Imperial.
Cool.
At about our 10 o'clock position, that's at about 8,800 feet above sea level.
Wow.
That's one of the higher lookout points on the North Rim of the Grand Canyon. And for reference, those trees up there are about 80 to 100 feet off the ground.
Wow.
Wow.
It looks so pretty with the snow.
Yeah, this is amazing.
Isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous.
Maybe you should try to get a picture of that.
Yeah.
There's that thumb butte, that is Mount Hayden.
Mount Hayden.
That's one of the popular lookout points or popular camera points here on the North Rim of the Grand Canyon. It's also a popular technical mountain climbing
Oh.
area. I've read, though, the hard part is getting from Point Imperial along the ridgeline to the base of Mount Hayden is the hard part.
Huh.
Oh. Wow.
The very top of Mount Hayden, that's at 8,400 feet above sea level. Right now we're at 7,500. I'm going to be climbing up to 9,000 feet in about another 2 minutes to get up onto the North Rim of the Grand Canyon.
Wow.
I've never seen any remotely.
Yeah. So spectacular.
Truly.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh,
Holy cow.
awesome.
Oh my goodness, if you go in that. Oh, that's...
All right, we're up on the north rim now at about our 9-10 o'clock position. That would be Bright Angel Canyon, 18 miles wide. Go down that canyon, and that would where Phantom Lodge would be. Let's see, staging area would be. There was a bison buffalo
Oh,
sighting earlier this morning
Oh.
in this area, so just keep your head on a swivel. Right up here, we're going to be crossing Highway 67 a couple of times. They close this down during the wintertime, but this would be the road out to the North Rim Lodge. Off to the right side, it would take you to the back side of Zion National Park.
Oh. Talk about your snow-covered trees, Allie. She's our Floridian. She's never seen she's never seen pine trees covered in snow.
And mountains.
Yeah, well,
All right.
Colorado, but
Okay.
yeah.
We've got those mountain ranges. That is Mount Charleston. That's on the west side of the Las Vegas Valley. That's 300 miles away.
wow.
So
Oh
that's
my
your
gosh.
visibility today.
Okay.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
All right, up ahead, about our 10 to 12 o'clock position. There's a ridge there. From up above, maybe in an airliner, you look down, that is the Dragon. We're going to be descending down into the Dragon corridor.
Okay.
We'll be at the tail end of the Dragon. From here, you guys will be able to get all the different layers that make up the Grand Canyon. The top layers being the youngest.
See the other helicopter?
What, honey?
The other helicopter.
12:30. See him?
Sure.
Right in front of us.
Oh, okay. I do
Yeah.
see him.
Yep.
I was doing good? Okay, good.
Yeah, you were doing awesome.
It means you're going to hire me, right?
Got a fresh
Oh.
battery.
You gotta get.
I put on a fresh battery and a
Oh.
new memory card.
Okay. So we can do this all day. That's so.
All right, we are at the tail end. The youngest layer of rocks up at the
Yeah,
top.
that's cool.
That's
You do
the
it.
sandstone.
That's
And
the
then there's a
sandstone.
shale layer.
Okay.
Limestone is this tan
Limestone.
area here. And as soon as we get a beam or alongside the dragon head,
Ah.
if you look down at about your 1 o'clock position around the bend, you'll be able to get a view of a gray color. That's the Vishnu shift. That layer is about 1.8 billion years old.
Wow. Wow, that's incredible. Yes.
All right, there's a dragon head off to our right side. But at our 1 o'clock position, there's a canyon down there. That is where the old rock layers are.
Oh.
You okay?
Yeah.
The view's too spectacular.
Yeah.
All right, off our left side, you'll get a good view of Bright Angel Canyon once again. One of the wider areas. We're going to be crossing the Colorado River for the final time in a few minutes. Off the right side, the river's going to continue flowing down to the west. It goes by Supai Village if you guys have seen posters or photographs of aqua blue waterfalls and ponds.
Can you loosen that for me?
Loosen it? Yeah.
Like really.
That's the location of those photos.
Okay.
And then it continues flowing down and empties into Lake Mead for a little while. Goes through Hoover Dam and then south through California.
Wow.
if you want to hold it.
Agreed.
All right, guys, I'm going to be starting a slow descent in preparation for landing back at the Grand Canyon Airport. Once we've touched down, you guys could go ahead and remove the headsets. Those will be placed on the hook
Okay. Oh
around
my.
your shoulder. Life jackets, you can go ahead and place those on the seats.
Okay.
Seat belts, please make sure those are fastened until the rotors come to a complete stop. On behalf of myself and Maverick, I hope you enjoyed the air tour, and I'll be looking forward to seeing that on YouTube.
Yeah, right?
Absolutely.
How cool.
I know, that's amazing.
Once
We
again,
lucked
chasing
out.
different adventures.
We so lucked out. I mean,
Totally lucked out.
what are the chances, huh? Pretty awesome.
So what's your name?
I'm Nina.
No?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll put that on the title.
Nina's helicopter grand tour. Nina Alexandra Pierpont and Michael's Grand Canyon
Okay.
experience. Yes. Yeah, it's. I mean.
Yeah, because you'll be able to actually see the ground.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You said it was 360. I didn't really understand what
It's
that means,
360
but
all the way up and down.
I don't know what that means.
All
But
around.
I just mean like in general. Like it's hard to
virtual.
imagine.
When you use your cell phone
Yeah.
or you
Okay.
can pan around and look at everything
Oh my goodness.
around you, up and down, left and
Wow.
right.
How does that do that?
I don't know.
With the fuselage underneath it, how does it do that?
All you won't see, the only thing you won't see is your hand
Okay.
and the pole.
Good to know.
Even the pole will disappear.
Oh my gosh, that's so amazing.
But like how you're holding it
Yes.
out, with the window below,
It will see everything.
it'll see everything above and
Oh
below.
my
The
goodness.
propellers, everything.
That is so
Left and right,
cool.
behind you.
Amazing.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you'll be able to view everything.
That's pretty amazing. The whole experience is amazing.
Doing great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
There's the other helicopter right in front of us.
Yeah, I see it. Looks like they're descending as well.
Pretty short runway.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, how long's the runway? 3,000? He's on the radio.
Yeah, I was going to say, I don't think he can hear you. That or he doesn't want to talk to you.
No,
Take a hint.
He's on the radio.
Sometimes I do the same thing, Mr. Pilot. Can't hear you, Paige. Just kidding, honey.
Oh, no, it's longer than that.
That's what she said.
Did we get that?
I couldn't help myself.
Did we get that on film?
Oh, coming in for landing.
Oh, cool.
So cool. Wow. Touchdown.
You did it.
Woo!
Woohoo!
Fun.
Survived.
Yep. Tell the tale. Here's this back, sir. What was your name?
Huh?
What was your name?
Mario.
Mario. All
That
right.
was amazing.
Wow.